Hello, welcome to vertibox.com. This video is about microwave oven 19 liters capacity convection model. Model number of this oven is GMX 519 CP1 from Godrej. This is the front view of microwave oven. On the right hand side you can see the panel. The black color is the display, and below you can see a lot of options given. The rotary switch is to start and quick start the microwave oven, and beneath that there is a door opening switch. There is a ready-made Insta Cook menu on the top. This shows the pre-programmed numbers in the microwave oven, and of course there is a caution sticker which shows do's and don'ts for the microwave oven. Behind there is a Godrej company symbol and of course warning. Let me open the door quickly. The opening of the door is very smooth. I did not feel any resistance while pressing the switch. Let's see what all the accessories are given with the microwave. There is a booklet which has a starter kit as well. The bottom glass panel with the stand. Nice pan to make sandwiches, grills. And there is a stand for the convection mode. Let me fix all the accessories and switch on the microwave oven. As recommended by Godrej, please connect microwave to a 12 amps socket. As soon as you switch on, the clock is set to 1 o'clock. Turn the knob to set the time in the microwave mode. The top switch is for adjusting the power. More the power, quicker the heat. And next one is for grill, and third one is for a clock adjustment. Fourth button is to stop the microwave. Left side on the top it is a convection mode switch, which allows you adjust the temperature as well when you click multiple times. And there is a microwave plus convection combo switch. As soon as you press the start button with the desired time, the microwave starts operating. We can see through the glass. The sticker on the door can be removed if you do not like it. I have removed it. Oven stops if you try to open the door while it is operating. So that's included in each and every microwave oven these days. In microwave mode, only microwave safe utensils are to be used. Do not use any metal utensils when oven is in microwave mode. To operate the oven in convection mode, you need to preheat the microwave. There are lots of videos about microwave convection mode operation in the internet. Please try to watch. This is just a basic video about this microwave oven model. Thank you for watching.